So in this class, we shall discuss about what are vaccines. So vaccines are biological preparations. They are mostly like a suspension, and they are why they are called biological preparation means they are prepared using microorganisms, virus or bacteria. So these biological preparations, which are called vaccines, they provide us with active acquired immunity to a particular disease. So biological preparation, which are prepared using microorganisms, they provide active acquired immunity to a particular disease, and mostly they resemble a microorganism. And they are often made from weakened or attenuated or killed forms of the microbes. So these biological preparations or vaccines are prepared using microorganisms, and these microorganisms are weakened or attenuated. Their force will be very much reduced, or they are completely killed. Microorganisms are killed, and then the preparation is formed. So usually their toxins, okay, what are the toxic substances or the chemical substances produced by these microbes? So either these vaccines consisting of the toxins produced by the microbes or one of its surface proteins. Surface proteins means proteins which are present on the surface of the microorganisms. So biological preparations are called vaccines, and they are used to give us immunity, and they resemble microorganisms because these preparations are made from disease-causing microorganisms. And mostly they are prepared by using weakened or attenuated microbes or killed forms of the microbes. Not only that, sometimes these biological preparations or vaccines are prepared using their toxins or one of its surface proteins. Moreover, vaccines teach our body how to defend itself. So vaccines, when they are injected into our body, these vaccines teach our body how to defend itself when a bacterium or virus invades into it. So when virus or bacterium invading into the body is taught by vaccines as to how to defend itself, how to protect itself from the microbes. And vaccines are usually, they'll be very little quantity only, and they deliver only very little amounts of inactivated or weakened viruses or bacteria. So whenever they are injected, and these biological preparations or vaccines consisting of only very little amounts of inactivated or weakened viruses or bacteria are parts of them. So that what happens is, and these vaccines allow our immune system to recognize the organism without actually experience the disease. So vaccines allow immune system to recognize what? Recognize the organisms, recognizing the microorganisms. That is biological preparation. These vaccines are made of microorganisms. So body or the immune system of the body recognize the organism without actually experiencing the disease. Some vaccines need to be given more than one time. So sometimes vaccines are given for more than one time. So such vaccines, it is called as booster vaccination. So why booster vaccination is required means it is to make sure that immune system can overcome a real infection in the future. So when vaccines are injected and after that another booster dose is given or booster vaccination is given, it is to make sure that immune system can overcome when really a bacterium or virus infecting the body. So in future, any infection occurs by these microorganisms, our immune system can overcome such real infections in the future. And vaccines, what they do in the body is they initiate immunization process. Vaccine initiates immunization process. And vaccines are classified as first, second, and third generation vaccines. We'll discuss in detail about what are these different types of vaccines which are classified as first, second, and third generation vaccines.